What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing this video that's kind of been going around, you know, like going around the internet and stuff like that. And it is the no product wash and go. So I'm gonna wash my hair, gonna deep condition my hair, and then I'm just gonna let it dry. And y'all gonna see what it looks like with my hair with no product. I'm excited to, you know, try it out and see. I don't think I've ever in a minute now just wash my hair and then just could deep condition it and then just let it go. So we're gonna see what that looks like today. So today we're going to be using Luxe Locks Long and Luscious Curls. So this is a very small natural hair care brand. They're up and coming. They reached out to me on Instagram and they were like, oh my god, we love your hair, can we send you some stuff? And they didn't ask for anything in return, they just wanted to send me stuff. I love that, coming from a brand, especially a smaller brand. Obviously you may not have the money to be, you know, paying influencers to be promoting your product and stuff like that, but when you just give without expectation of receiving, it really does go a long way, and I'm here for it. They definitely came through, sent me some products, and so I'm excited to try them out. I've never used them before, so I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. I'm gonna be using the African Black Soap Shampoo and the Blueberry Cream Pie Deep Conditioner. I'm really excited for this one because I feel like it's gonna smell really good. So I'm gonna go rinse my hair and then I'll be right back. All right, so I just rinsed my hair. So this is what it's looking like. And now I'm about to go in with the Luxe Locks African Black Soap Shampoo. It smells like African black soap. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, it's very liquidy. Okay, so that's that. It can be a little inconvenient, especially like in this situation where I'm not in the shower washing my hair, but also it's like I can't just put the soap in my hand and like put it in my, like it's dripping. So that's a little bit inconvenient, but it's okay. Now it's starting to smell minty, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour it straight to my scalp, and you can see it's starting to lather up. Yeah, so with this shampoo, I would probably put it in an applicator bottle because it is so liquidy. But it definitely feels good, and it feels like it's cleaning my hair without like stripping it. I'm just not a fan of the consistency. I would prefer something a little more firm, so that way it's not like dripping and product, you know, can get wasted that way. It feels good going in, and my hair doesn't feel like it's gonna strip my hair. Just not a fan of the consistency. It is kind of cool though, because like it gets to your scalp. Like when you pour it on your hair, it gets to your scalp, and that's the whole point of shampoo, to clean your scalp so that new hair can grow out of it. So I mean, I guess in that respect, like it's not bad, not terrible, but I would rather have something that's just a little bit more thick, you know. Alright, so hair's all washed. Like I said, my hair does not feel stripped at all. So so that's good, but it does feel like once I rinse this out, it'll be nice and clean. So that's always a plus. The only thing that I have to say about this that I wish was a little bit different is the consistency. It is like super watery. Either the consistency or that it was in an applicator bottle, because pouring that like super liquidy consistency out of this bottle, it was kind of just a little bit inconvenient. But I'm gonna go rinse this out and then I'll let you guys know how I feel about it once it's rinsed out. So hair is rinsed out and clean. I normally go for gentle, really gentle cleanser. So like I always use the Diva Curl pretty much every single wash day. I use the Diva Curl Decadent Snow Poo and One Condition. They're super gentle cleanser and conditioner. They really keep all that moisture in my hair. This shampoo is for like every so and so if my hair is like really dirty and I feel like I really need a good cleanse, this would be that type of shampoo. So this isn't a shampoo that I would use every week or every time I wash my hair, but if my hair is like really dirty, this is that type of shampoo that I would go for, because my hair is like clean, you know. So now I'm gonna go in with the deep conditioner, and hopefully this is good. I feel like it smells good. The name sounds like it smells good, Blueberry Cream Pie, but let's see how the product actually works. So I'm assuming she has these co-packaged because this is sealed. This is really sealed. Pretty professional. All right. Smells good, really good. The consistency is like a leave-in. It's like really lightweight, but let's see how this moisture is. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, this is the bomb. This right here, it has so much slip, y'all look. Yo, I'm gonna need some more of this. Yo, they did that with this one. This right here, one of my new favorites. Okay guys, I 10 out of 10 recommend this deep conditioner. Okay guys, so far this deep conditioner is like Kobe Lomax approved. Now we have to give it a little bit of time, let it sit, and then rinse it out and see how my hair is feeling. But right now, the application, that slip, definitely recommend. Like, it has so much slip and it's super moisturizing. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna take the little bit of rest that's in here, and just kind of work that on my ends. Make sure they're nice and moisturized, because you know they are colored, so they are pretty weak. This deep conditioner feels really good going on, and it smells so good too. Like, it's such an enjoyable experience putting it on. It just smells so good. Oh, and I also had a side comment on the ingredients. I noticed that it says they're really good ingredients, and then it says carefully crafted blend of natural ingredients as one of the ingredients. I would watch that, because if somebody uses your product and they're allergic to one of those ingredients in that carefully blended blend of natural ingredients, if something happens and let's just say you were to be sued, you didn't list the ingredients, and so you could get in a little bit of trouble there. So I would watch that. I would just go ahead and list out all those ingredients. If your supplier already blends them, I would find out from your supplier what ingredients are in there and then list them on the package, because if something was to happen, you could get in some trouble for that because they didn't know what was in there. So that's just a little tip for Luxe Locks. If you guys are watching this. So I always use a plastic bag when I do this, because recycling, you know, why go and buy plastic caps when I have these bags that I could, you know, be reusing. So that's what I do with that, and I just kind of wrap this around, tuck it in, kind of like a Bantu knot, and then boom, I'm gonna sit with this on for about 20 minutes, and then I'll be back to rinse. So my hair, this is my hair rinsed out. Definitely recommend that deep conditioner. My hair is so soft, it just feels so good. Pretty hydrated, and I recommend. So what I'm gonna do now is just let this dry. I'm probably gonna do a little one of these numbers right here, just to get it so that it's not dripping, because I got other work to do and I don't need my hair, you know, dripping on me. I'm gonna come back when my hair is dry and we're just gonna see what it looks like. That's the whole point of this no product wash and go, just to show you guys, like, what does my hair look like with absolutely no product. Yeah, I'm gonna get to work, go about my day, do my stuff, do my do, and then once my hair is dry, I'll be back so you guys can see what it looks like. It's probably gonna look different than you've ever seen my hair, you know. So this is my hair. It's pretty big. I have to like cut down the V to get it all in frame. But this is my hair, fully dry, no product. It's huge, so big. But yeah, so this is my hair with no product, and yeah, just in case any of you guys were wondering what that might have looked like, this is my no product wash and go. So as I said, this is a really quick video, just to kind of show you guys like what would my hair look like without any product. So this is it. It's pretty soft. That's all per usual. Thank you so much for watching this video, tuning into my channel. I really appreciate your time and spending this time here with me on the internet, because there are so many options, and the fact that you chose to watch mine for these few minutes I appreciate it so much. So that's a wrap, and I will see you guys in the next video.